Now it's recording. Candie, what do you think about all the birds in the bird room, huh? Careful you step, honey. She pooped on the floor. Gotta clean that up.
Is that pretty bird? Is that pretty bird, boo? Hello? 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 Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie.
Romeo wants to get friendly. Romeo wants to be friendly. I don't know about when we get too close to Candie, though.
Hi, boo.
Hi, pineapple.
Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie.
Oh, it's cute. Hi, birdie, she says. That's cute.
Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie.
They're all checking him out.
Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. You pretty bird.
Romeo's very, very nice to everyone. Romeo just loves everybody. That's why he's called a lovebird, I guess.
You come meet Candie. Say hi, boo. Hi, Candie.
Does he like the littles or no?
No, we don't like the
He don't like the little ones because they fly?
Yeah. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi. Nada. Nada.
Yeah, let's put you up here now, Ellie. There you go. Alright, Ellie. Okay. So do you like seeing all the birds, Candie? Huh? Oh, watch your feet. Okay. Alright, I gotta turn this off. Cat.